Hey, what's up guys, this is Ken over at Grom Audio, and today I have a 2012 Infiniti FX35 and we just did a VLine VL2 install in this vehicle. Let me show you what we did. So what you're looking at here is actually behind the glove box. We took the glove box off because the customer wanted to retain the use of the glove box, and as we were looking at the glove box, behind the glove box rather, we saw that there was this empty slot here on the right, and we thought, well, can we fit the VLine in there? And sure enough, it fits, and using some zip ties, we're able to wrap some zip ties around the VLine unit and then just hook it up on top of the factory bracket that's down here below the dash, and it's pretty nicely secured. It's not going to drop down or anything. And with our cables being, you know, long enough where you can run it to inside the dash, or in the glove box, we neatly zip tied all our cables so they're not in the way of anything under the dash, or they're not going to be damaged because they're pinched or anything. And speaking of being pinched, I want to show you how the cables are going into the VLine, because the video cable is very crucial, and if you get any pinches or anything like that, it might mess up the video. So let me just shine a light here. You can see the cables are smooth bend that goes into the VLine unit that's up here. So nothing that's like a hard 90-degree bend or anything like that. And if I raise the lower panel up, it kind of sits below like that. You can see none of the cables are pinched, and there isn't any hard bends or such that can cause any potential damage to the cables. So that's it, guys. So just want to show you how we creatively installed VLine in this 2012 Infiniti FX35. So here it is, our VLine has booted up. And what makes this vehicle unique is that it has the rotary knob, the cursor, so I can use the knob, or I can use the cursor to access my menus, or I can use the touchscreen. So just whichever is convenient. Kind of give you some options. You know, as you're driving, of course, you don't want to be driving distracted, you know, dealing with your infotainment system. So there it is. Everything seems to be working, and yep, everything looks good. All right, we'll see you in the next video.